So people, in previous video I actually promised to make this treatment with the walnut oil or stain. You can get this in every Home Depot in Denmark, but it's a worldwide color, so it doesn't matter what country. But let's try it. This one is just a rough surface. I scratched it. I'm gonna show you why I scratched it. You can just see the result. This one is Viking boat treatment on it. I know I made up the name, but it is what it is. I made this name on my yeah. If you read my website, I used this treatment on some of my furniture for Danish customers. They love it, and I just call it Viking boat treatment. I'm gonna show you how it looks. This one is 360. On this one, I sanded with 360. And this one is just a company grade. I mean, I didn't do anything on this. I just bought it, cut it, so you can see how it looks. So let's try it. I use this pencil. I know I shouldn't use this for a stain, but it is what it is. I don't want to mess up my camera. Let's do it. We're gonna start with this one. Gonna give you a rustic vintage look. As I told you before, you're gonna use more stain on rough surfaces. Yeah, that's just physics. But that's why it gives a rough look. The next one is Danish boat treatment or surface. I'm gonna actually show you close up, but let's stain up first. And yeah, as you know, the longer the stain stays, it penetrates deeper and gets darker. So it's up to you. But I'm gonna wipe it off so you can see how it looks. This one is 360. The smooth surface of wood is not gonna take so much oil, so it's gonna be easy to apply. And this one is a company grade. Yeah, is it called a company grade when you don't do anything, when you buy a smooth wood from the shop? I don't know. I just made it up. English is my second language. I speak Farsi, English, Danish. So don't make fun of me. It is what it is, buddy. So let's try it. I'm gonna dry this one or wipe this one off. Look like this. I mean, it's just ridiculously scratched, but you can just do it more organized. But this one, this beauty, I love this. I love this treatment. I always recommend to our customers, Danish customers, they'll love it. I mean, look at, there is no reflection because the surface, it is just treated like nice. This one is 360. It's just normal, a little bit lighter than usual. And this company grade, you see, this is darker than this one. But I gotta tell you that this specific wood that I buy, yeah, they actually smooth already. So, but the result is not that different. But this one, this is beauty. You can do a lot of stuff if you use. I mean, even use with the project you make at home in your parking lot. If you treat this kind of stain, look at this. I mean, this is beauty. If you use this treatment on whatever furniture you're gonna have, it just gives 5-star look. I mean, what else you want? See you guys on the next video.